So the last thing I want to do with this circuit is I just want to measure the resistance of my resistor. Now, if I just want to measure the resistance of a resistor, that's pretty straightforward. I can do it without the resistor being part of a circuit. I can take my red lead over to this hole where we measure ohms. So let me pull that out, plug it in over here, right? And then what I need to do is flick my multimeter to this setting here. So we are measuring resistance. We can measure a bunch of other things as well, but we're measuring resistance. And then all we have to do is take our leads. So take your red lead, connect it to 1/2 of the resistor, connect the other lead over here, right? And that will tell you the resistance of that resistor. So this is 0.325 kilo ohms. So that's 0.325 thousand ohms. In other words, it's 324 kilo ohms. 324 ohms. So it's not quite 330, right? But it's pretty close, right? Now, when you're measuring resistance in a circuit that you've put together, right, you can do that. But if you try and measure resistance by just connecting it to a circuit that is on, you're gonna get nothing, right? It's really important that when you want to measure resistance of a circuit, you actually have to unplug your power supply. Not just turn the power supply off, because if you turn the power supply off, the wires are still connected, so that can throw your reading off, right? You actually need to unplug it, and then you can measure the resistance of a resistor in your circuit, right? So that's how you do that.